So, the atmosphere today feels extra special, doesn't it? Christmas lights, happy faces. It feels like even the air is celebrating with us.
Absolutely. Christmas just has that magic, bringing faith, joy, and warmth together like a candle glowing brightly in the darkness.
And truly, Christmas shines hope into our lives. Today, we celebrate the birth of Jesus, the joy he brought, and the love he continues to give us.
That's true. Christmas has that magic. It blends faith, joy, and warmth beautifully on one stage.
Yes, it's a special Nepali fusion dance created just for this Christmas celebration. It brings together our Nepali musical flavor with the message of glorifying God.
Exactly. Through music and movement, they are glorifying the goodness of God. It reminds us that worship isn't only about microphones or words. Sometimes it's expressed through rhythm, energy, and heartfelt dance.
So get ready to enjoy a performance full of colors, culture, and Christmas cheer, showing how Christmas unites different backgrounds with one heart of worship.
So, ladies and gentlemen, open your hearts and get your smiles ready. Here comes our Nepali fusion Christmas dance by our talented grade 3 dancers, glorifying God through music and movement.
ढाका साडी मखमली चोलीलाई हे कान्छी हृदयमा ख्रीष्टकै जिउँदो वचनलाई साँची ढाका साडी मखमली चोलीलाई हे कान्छी हृदयमा ख्रीष्टकै जिउँदो वचनलाई साँची क्रुसलाई बुझाउन ख्रीष्टमा बाँचेर सबलाई बचाउन क्रुसलाई बुझाउन ख्रीष्टमा बाँचेर सबलाई बचाउन